I'm rolling, sir.
Hey guys, I moved the CG farther forward a little bit. I had to add some down trim on the last flight, so I took half the down trim out and put the battery a little farther forward. You can see my marks. I'm probably on the front edge or maybe a little more forward of that. Maybe in line with the little dots, probably about right now. So we'll give that a try, see how it goes. I'm gonna do my custom underhand launch. Wind is coming from this way, so it's going good. Here we go.
So much power. Nice.
I think it's just going so fast.
It's a missile.
On my medium rate to try that. See if I can do some smooth flying
Yeah, you're way comfortable with this. I gotta work to keep up now.
Seemed to me like it accelerated going up.
It did seem to.
I'm not going to try to outrun her. Power.
Yeah, if anyone needs more vertical than that, then they need to see a doctor. Yeah, that throttle off whistling is awesome. So slow.
This is a little smaller battery. I've been flying it a little faster and come around playing. Just about to the 3-minute mark here. Full idle.
3 minutes on the nose, guys.
Okay guys, here is that Nanotech 3000. I'll take it out of there. I'll just show you where I shoved it. Whoops. I shoved it way up in the nose to get the CG. That was a 3-minute exactly flight time. A little more comfortable, so I was flying it a little faster. Oh, did I loosen the strap enough? There we go. So there's that battery. Good battery.
Links in the description.
Link will be in the description. 3-minute flight on that baby. Oh geez.
Oh my god.
49%.
Woo!
That's crazy. Good deal. I like it. All right, guys. So I definitely like the CG a little farther forward. It let me take half the down trim out, and it flew a little better, I felt, especially in this wind. So like, comment, subscribe, and John VH is out.